A second woman has come forward saying the Greenville hospital system didn't follow state protocol with her rape exam.
You might remember last week we told you Oconee Memorial is accused of breaking the chain of custody by handing a rape kit back to the victim to deliver to police herself. And now another woman says GHS not only didn't protect her anonymity, but billed her for that test. Our Brianna Smith is in 7 on Main tonight to explain what happened. Brianna.
Yeah, Gordon, when a forensic rape test is done, the victim has the right to remain anonymous and not have it immediately reported to police. This woman says not only did GHS not do that, they made her foot the bill for the procedure.
Fingernail scrapings, vaginal swabs.
As Julie Valentine Executive Director Shauna Galloway Williams walks us through what a rape kit contains, it shows the details that go into this important exam.
You know, the exam is twofold, evidentiary as well as treatment.
It's that important evidence that is now the subject of this lawsuit. Jane Doe alleges while she wanted a rape exam from Greenville Hospital System, she didn't want to report it to police, something well within her rights.
They want this to be anonymous. That's what they expect and what they want.
But that lawsuit alleges that didn't happen. Police showing up at her door just hours after the exam and then later receiving a bill.
Victims should not have to pay to have a medical exam done.
State law mandates that if someone wants to stay anonymous, that the rape kit will be issued a medical ID and kept for at least a year. It also states that a victim is never charged for their exam so that their privacy is also upheld.
It doesn't happen often. It does happen though, and when it does happen, it can have a very traumatic effect on the victim.
But if it does, the Julie Valentine Center says they're here to help victims through their rights.
The Julie Valentine Center is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
We mentioned briefly going into your report about what happened at Oconee Memorial. So these are two different hospitals owned by the same entity, GHS, that are doing two very different things when it comes to rape kits, allegedly.
Yeah, the problem is that when you're dealing with rape kits, obviously that evidence is so important to those trials, and it's important to these victims. It's the first step a lot of times on how they're dealing with their rape and dealing with places like the Julie Valentine Center, the hospital, and the police. And so these two egregious claims saying that these things happen, you know, are very different, but in the same, they both deal with these rape kits.
In the first case in Oconee County, that's a case that can never be prosecuted if the chain of command of custody is broken, which it appears to be.
That's what the police told her in that case.
And then in this second case, the woman says she didn't want to prosecute, and now police are involved.
Yeah, absolutely. And, you know, so a woman has the, or a man has the opportunity to say they want to stay anonymous in any time they have a rape kit done. And they have up to a year for that kit to sit there and them to come forward and report, yes, I want that kit now taken to police. If they choose not to do that within the year, they can still go and get a report after that kit is thrown away.
I just want to say quickly, this is two cases like this that have come out in, what, a week's time?
Yes.
If somebody else has had something similar like this happen to them, or they think this has happened to them, who should they call?
Well, contact us and we can get you in touch with these lawyers who are in charge of this case. Also contact the Julie Valentine Center and make sure they're aware as well, or your rape center in your community, because they're going to be the ones to be able to walk you through this.
It's a very serious issue. Brianna, thank you.